Hello ladies and gentlemen, Viking back with some more Rubik's Cube. In this video, I'm going to show you some basic patterns, so let's get down to it. Alright, the first pattern I'm going to show you is the checkerboard pattern, which is really simple. It's not complicated, really. It's all just repeating stuff. Actually, this is two sides have checkered patterns, and wait, I done goofed. Alright, now we're going to get to where 4 out of the 6 sides have checkers on it. Right there. There are the 4 sides, and you can see the other 2 are perfectly fine. The next one is going to be all of them checkered, which is really what I was planning to do in the first spot, but I'm stupid, so there's all of them checkered like that, and then to get it back you just boom 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 boom. Not that hard. Now what I'm going to show you next is the cat's eye, or what I like to call the cat's eye. Wait, no, I done goofed again. Alright, now we do that. This is only going to be on, wait, it's on 4 of them. So you see that you've got the center in the opposite color, and to do that you just boom 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 boom, and then you've got it again. Wait, what? Okay, no, what the hell? Okay, it's gonna take me a little bit. Okay, that's better. Alright, the next thing I'm gonna show you is called the 6 C's, and in all of this I'll be putting annotations of the patterns in the video. So what this is going to be the 6 C's. Dun, 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 dun. Wait. If I mess this up, I apologize. Front, back, up, down, right. Oh, no, I didn't mess it up. Alright, so, as you can see, see there, see there, see there. It's all got C's on it. And it's going to take me a while to get to this next one, because I have to revert this back to stuff. This might take a little bit. Actually, no. I'll just solve it from here. So I apologize if you've already seen me solve this, but it's necessary to get to what I have to next, which is one of my favorite patterns, because it's pretty frickin' sweet. Da-da-da-da. Banana, dun dun banana, dun dun. So right now, never mind. No, I'm not gonna talk to you guys. That's stupid. Alright. Yeah, these next few ones, they take a little while to revert back to the original state, so I apologize in advance. Alright, after this one we'll get back to patterns. So this next pattern is by far one of my favorites. This is what I call, this is not my pattern by the way, but this is what I call cubeception. It's a cube and a cube and a cube. It's crazy. Alright, so we're gonna go up inverted, left inverted, up inverted, inverted, right, right, back, right, front, up, no. Right, this is cubeception. Like, gotta find it. Oh, wait, tits. Okay, no, come on, get it. It's so weird trying to angle things. Okay, yeah, there it is. It's a cube. You can see right here. This is one cube. Cube number dos. And cube 3. Right? Crazy. So, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Um, I will do a walkthrough probably tomorrow. So, this has been Viking, and I have been doing some more Rubik's Cube fun involving patterns. Bye bye.